want to talk about the Sodom and Gomorrah this story. No? We do the Gomorrah Taba Mahawakwi, this story Taba Mahawakwi, Malamakwi. Penny Bakano, the true angel arrived at the Sodom in the evening. No Pennepa Mukulu Kiga, Hawesu, Bagdana had to Wesu, Sado, no pair, Bagdana evening, no. Mu tukan and Lord was sitting in the gateway of the city when he got on saw lumano locked solo ne watching over the Bagdama Clecoti the war we a quatin petrin when he saw them pay away to it when aware to it our Pakiani when he saw them he got up and meet them awake settled away let the girl let to and bound down with his face to the ground ulane aware Claro a me su Bagdana Hakuma bound down Bagdana Buto Batom bound down Claro meta su Hakono my lord Korano Jekasa my laws Jekasa laws sit on a Kiamano Kasa Kia Hodano Paras he said but away please turn aside to your servant house Bagdana Hanatha su Bagdana learn plan a bo Bagdana Nakunapa a hit key by entertainment Penny you can wash your feet and spend the night and then go on your way early in the morning Bagdana ka obu utha penny naka mi obu utha penny Bagdana thick on the call Bagdana naka obu utha pen tana pay do running walk on it naka heart no not the answer did I the miba what this is several the miba we will spend the night in the square but over a door the knuckle pay talot but he insisted too strongly that they did go with him and they entered his house a work where Mura by Susukale where Tuni with it Thusano strongly sit down and all Taki Super Kikanya with the bucket of Hutano a wetted pane Lenuesu no Poro Kiro Lenuesu Hinilo he prepares a meal for them we're on a work take to rat out all Mukukulukian he prepares the meal for them baking breast without yeast and they ate the work take to out with the overall at a table before they has gone to bed not a clue with the lenuesu allow me the they had gone to bed allow me the all the men for every part of the city of Sodom both young and old surround the house Pacanyote pa pair Poquated pa Kalakasim pair with do boon both Bagdana Poqua Bagdana Poquata Saro Poquala Athaquated pa a wetted pani Bagdana what they go walk a hinimo go walk a hino go walk a hinim they call the Lord a work order Solomon they call the Lord a work order Solone a work order Solone go where are the men who come to you tonight Pacanyote pa opele Hesu no only Pacanyote pa opele David bring them out to us so that we can have sex with them very evil thing okay what did I learn has so on a boy no Pacamihu that pa mu pa khwa ta mi khu ne wa ka mi khu la no no awa ne wa ti ka mi khu no wa ne wis do ro ka mo ra awa ti ta usa no awa ti ta phita ma phane no Lord went outside to meet them no pe no ne solo ne awa le ta clear ro awa ti no le ti la ta ma no ti la ta ro ma no awa ti la ta ro awa ti ma no and shut the door behind him Peter Makati Katre a lucky man, a well let our de clear man behind him. And says, no friends, no, no, what did I tell me what did the go, no? Don't do this wicked thing. No, Peter mata ta waiting, no, the wicked thing. Look, no, qua. No, I have 2 daughters, no, ye oro, ye pumukias, no, Kia, who has never sleep with a man, no, what the miba hura pokwan, not a blower, no. Let me bring them up to you, no. Pretend mala, you get sonnet through, no, you get sonnet through, no, love through no, and you can do what you like with them, no. Ne through mati, no, didn't the other matun, through matilo. But there man in a solo ne eba ora mukukulu kian mono porque makulu kian whatever way no away he laura la po mono lu laura la po lo pa de do no pa lo pa pa sa do no one but don't do anything to this man no atera le ne fit pa lo ma le pa de do no pa way ba no pa ti phai ba for the have come under the protection of my roof no porque ma away he ne di tu do no tap ta ku ga ya la yi a phala ka du phala ne lo no get off our way no with it no da ha tho le ple ne ki no they reply no with it katura no get out our way no and this said no do run with it this follow come here and alien no porque na patir pai hero Peter ma hekwa hukwa sutalo and now he want to play the chess no ulane awa sector ke no awa ti ti pha le kalu kwe ma da di do ta sinyo kam sinyo da no we will treat you no Peter na roast them then no Peter na no Peter na ma na pa ero ma awa ti no lo ga ti tu Peter na ma la no targeted follow no they keep bringing pursuits on the Lord no keep bringing pursuit no what they soften susu no soften no who classes soften susu la tetemala no la loma no loma no when I am moving forward to break down the door no what they moving forward sila na what they live no porque ma ku klase sot ni we do no dito do kama ha go bra tre ni no but the man inside reaches out no po kwalo olo ta ko pu ni reaches out sila no porque ma head to no reaches out no when no porque ma la no and the Poland lock back into the house. No la hini kibra no hini ya solo a hipu no lords to the house no when the hini kibra solo he put and shut the door. Ula what the katiki tre then they trust the man who were at the door of the house no our what the panic katura no did I margati the pala no Ola coche did pale, no? Then the hotel painted there yawn and oh, no? Yawn and oh, no? With the blindness, no? Put mother, Pata shadow, Pata potted pa, what they meditated no blindness, so that they could not find the door. Though running, no? What did the pane? What they tibra treba, what they hutre baloba, no? Hutre baloba, no? The 2 men said to Lord, no, Lord, no, Papa Quakia Katuta, no, Soloni, no, do you have any else here? No, no, Uro, Padaka, Padia, any else here? Son in law, son or daughters, or anyone else in the city who belong to you เนาะปกติเรามาเนาะโอ้ดิดอนะฮิปโปคอโพมินเมียเนาะนะปกติเรามาเนาะna pumu awa the mana na pumu awa do menu na pu kwa do na pumu thit pha do parga ga le ba thwe ba kharo na khele kasi no le a upedia no get them out of here no putana na ha tho phe mo no ha tho phe no get them out of here no more abati kharo phe ni ki no because we are going to destroy this plate no because ma le sik to ke pe ka ma ha wo ku ta lo wei lo no the no the outcry no the outcrying to the Lord again his people is so great that he has sent us to destroy is no because ma la lo ta khle ne pa ho pa ye no do when it me ta la no ke because ma la awati thoda wara kasa လူတန်ခရပါကညတိဖာနေမေဒါလာနော်အဝဲတိအတောင်းမှုတော့ဝဲနော်အဝဲတိတမဟာကိုအကလေဒါဝနေလောနော် so Lot went out and spoke to his son-in-law နော်ဘယ်တော့ဆော်လိုနေအိုတော့အဖို့ခွာပကတဲ့အမမနော်ဆိုင်လောင်းနေအမအိုဒီမနော်လူတန်အဝဲလေတူတော့အမနော် who were နော် pledges to the marriage နော်ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းအဝဲတိနော် popular tap နော်with it brother မနော် brother his daughters he said hurry and get off of the place နော် hurry နော်တရလာကဲမမကလေးပကဟာရလစု the war to play it away လော because the Lord is about to destroy the city နော်ပကတဲ့မှာမမေခေါ်နေနော်မမေခေါ်နေကဆာရွာကမဟာဝကွီta lo way lo no the water play lo but his son-in-law thought he was joking no but then mal his son-in-law thought he was joking no and not going to la no no where amani sukumora la no amani sukumora la pa ami pa hete on me da la but then he because hema look well no joking hema look well no joking with the coming of dawn and the angels against Lord saying hurry take your wife and your two daughters who are here or you will be swept away when the city is punishment no because noปกติในฮิปโปคอโพดอนมาเนาะดอนในพมุขียาหาทอเพอีเนาะปกติมาตะเคลเลในจะหาทอดด้วยว่านี่เนาะเอาไว้นี่ปกติปกมาหาก็คุยตะกอนเพลนี่เนาะ when he stayed นาะ the man grabbed his hand and the hands of his wife and of the two daughters and leads them safely out of the city เนาะแพ่นี่เนาะเอาไว้ที่มา his stay เนี่ย his state เนาะ his state สิตาเนี่ยเอาไว้มาเยมาโนดามเนาะเอาไว้มาเยมาโนดาคุตามุคุกโลเนี่ยฮีนะเนาะอามาดออดอปมุคีเนาะดอทูดอเวลตัววอคเลเนี่ยเนาะทูดอเวลตัววอคเลเนี่ยเนาะ for the Lord was merciful to them เนาะเลตนะคุรากะซายเนี่ยeba with him no merciful to them no eba with it no so as soon as then said please for your life don't look back and don't stop anywhere in the planet please to the mountain or you will be swept away เนาะporqueต้องหาทอมิจิเนาะหาทอมิจิตลอดเวอีดอกกว่าก็ได้ตลอดคิดเกเนาะporqueต้องมาแล้วand the make quite that lot kid in the kero because them are planning no kero ta na kathiba pulo leta no kota ron ha thaw we lo ta lo meji ne ke no era table no leta no kota pay ni bus lost up to them no because them la solo teba within no my lord no tera tame ba yekasa please no with us ya no please with us ya your servant has found favors in your eye เนาะเอาไว้ในนี้นะคือนะปอเนี่ยที่นี่เวลาละเนาะปกติมาละ learn the cleaning no and you have so grace kindness no when it learn the clip when no kebra jani kebra learn the tu kinyo takanyo ya monon e ya kuya duma pasana kiro pain in na do never pagden mala ta takanyo tirpa learn out to meet and sparing my life lone non masaya do karamanama none of puple yetadamu, but I can flee to the mountain. Their sister will be overtake me. No, but then mala ye harolo ta, but then ta look clean film no. Me ba pura kira kita kota kele ye go and I will die. No, me call it ye fever pupan no. Look, no, aware soliteva look no quam no. Here is the town near enough to run to no. Any the problem no. Sorry no. The wobler no jika healer abura ya pay no chronological heat penny no. Let me flee to east no. With us we am no more logical let also penny. It is very small no but a made out the wall made out a sea no. It's very small no made out a sea isn't it no when it sit me no error no do penny tibra then my life will be spared no when it meet a jetta muni taka a kapu place he said to them no whatever he said to him no whatever oh very well really no really very well I will grant this no request too no pagdera ma ke ye ka mane learn tahi tawene sikolo I will not overthrow the town you speak of no we dara jeta mahago ba no the wall na katuta wane lo but flee there quickly because I cannot do anything until you reach us no pagdera ma mamikle khimikle nime na khit klo de ba nime de khit de ba ne yamar thi ba tiko we yikama ko ne mar thi ba no that is why the town was called no Zur no when it the word went to call Zur no by the time Lord reaches Zur the sun has risen over the land then the Lord rains down burning sulfur, sulfur on Sodom and Gomorrah from the loss out of the heaven, no. Pagdirmana, Panero, Ta, Mahako, we Sodom Gomorrah, no, from the loss out of the heaven, no. Pagdirmana, Hello, Mukumano, thus us overthrow those cities and the entire plan, no. Pagdirmana, the world plan, the entire plan, no. Tamahako, Kele Casilum, no. Damawa Kokwi, Damawa Kelekisla. But lost why look back and the sea began in the pillars of salt. Now, Pagdemala, solo amani quagadakiro, a wakiro itatunilo, no pillar of salt, no. Little Kutara, no. Early the next morning, Abraham got up, no, and returned to the place where he had stood before the Lord, no. Do Abraham muarone awake setter, do Bagderma, Kuala Weda, pay a setter do Mukukulu Kiani, no Mukukli Kiani, no. Little Kutara Paini did he looked down towards Sodom and Gomorrah, the awake Kuala with Sodom and Gomorrah, no. With Sodom and Gomorrah. Bagderma, no. And Gomorrah's towards all the land of the plan. And he saw dancing smoke rising from the land, like smoke from the furnace. No, Britain mala tiwala no Britain ma talawani tahago kuke like say muka packet howe no muka packet howe no petibala no di to no ta okuwira di mokuro to no. So when God destroyed the city of the planning, no penny sectoni, no kasaya mahago kuwera, no the world plan, no city when no the ta pita matir planning no ta kalelo no he not remembering Abraham, no, when aware takiro no, do thinoroki so Abraham, and he brought Lot out of the catastrophe, no, and overthrew the city where Lot have lived, no, pair, but then my solo aware uwera tasu talo claim, no, when it began my pair solo ulo ne tata mahago, no, let no huta on no. Do my test, brother. Okay, brother. Right now is I talk about little bit and Sodom and Gomorrah happened, and the city is very bad then. Okay, a man want to be suspicious. Okay, says sleeping. They want to sleep in the angels. Okay, that's why Lord protection angel. Later then they will get blind because the Lord very angry before destroy the Sodom and Gomorrahs, right? After that, remember this, okay? The Lord is exactly, okay? The Lord exactly towards and the Lord wife and there's Lord's and her their daughters, two daughters, okay, took everything, okay, and then sent away to the mountain, okay. Thank you so much. After that, what? It's a very dangerous thing. The people is making social. It's not good for the God. The God doesn't want in the whole world. Okay, so we stay peaceful and don't fighting, don't killing. That's why we saw that Sodom and Gomorrah is making a sinner. That's why the God doesn't want us, the Lord, lost stay there. Okay, say to the Lord, do you have the son-in-law or your son or daughter, anyone else belong to you? You have to be get out immediately. This city, run on to the mountain. Okay, far away you can, but Lord wanna stay. Okay, they remember about that. This city is a lot of things, okay, trash out there, but think about your life is important than the treasure and the foods, okay? This means, what? This Abraham remembering, the Abraham remembering because before before destroying the Lord tell about the Abraham everything, okay? Before destroying, the Lord tell the Abraham everything. Abraham argue with to the Lord, okay? Talk about that. Do you know that this city is the people has 50 people, right? 50 people you want to destroy? No, the Lord said, yeah, maybe 50 people, that's okay. No, I not destroy it. How much? How many? Maybe 45, please, 45. No, I never destroy. Okay, maybe how about 30? No, I never destroy. Okay, the laws very, very like people. Okay, want to stay peaceful, and then Abraham's okay, and the pleasing to the gods. Okay, how about the 10 people? Okay, go fight it. When 10 people have, I never destroy. Okay, but America, United States, a lot of people pray to God. This means the gods never restore the American United States. That's why. How many people live in the American United States? A lot of people pray to God. Our people, American people, Latin people, okay, Africa people, and then so many people, all right, they pray to God. Okay, they want God to protect. They need God. Okay, the God protect you. The God don't destroy because once you stay here, the God bless you in this place. The God bless you. The God take. The God never destroys. Remember this. Okay, you know that the God take care of Israel. This is a very good thing. Israel is the obedient children. the God like sometimes the gods don't want Israel because they do sin, the God punishes. They had to be upset to the punish. Thank you so much, brother and sister, every person watching today. I want to close in right now and I will see you later. Okay, tomorrow, maybe later. Okay. Siblubaki follow aquala tirpa, la awati, no, tukutunamata, malo de mimi, no, letita mubu, tuleta tita pita mata utake, lakasaya ebatu, lakasaya leta rotu, letita mubu, ye to the tutamata authority, kasaya de blotu, the clue, kasaya tamahawa de mane, kasaya de blotu, litan hutara moya suikitu, letita mubu, mo kasaya leta rotuniki. Tuta kota ke tana tapati pa mo kasaya ka masatuniki. Do you have difficulty to watch something about your family? Okay, this is mean the God will be have you. Remember when you read Bible how to treat other people, the great opportunity to learn and the great thing to show out your love. Okay, because you are the son of God. Thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone. See you later.